Hello, my beautiful people. Bonjour, mes amis. This is Margie. Welcome to my channel. Today it's a beautiful day. I'm going to share my Thanksgiving table with you, and this is my last table for the fall season. I hope you like it, and remember, if you like the video, to give it a thumb up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I try to create beautiful tablescapes that I share with you. So now let me go over the table and show you what I have done. It's a table for 6, so if all the plates, all the sets are the same. Everyone will have a little candle next to their plate, and it's a peach scent. It's absolutely nice. It's beautiful. I have used this set before, and I decided to use it again for Thanksgiving. So it's beautiful. I love the details on the plates, so I'm going to use them again. I'm using the bowls because we're going to have soup for Thanksgiving. So I'm using the bowl, I'm using the bowls, I'm using the salad plate and the dinner plate, and beautiful napkins that I place inside of the bowls. I just love that table runner. I love the details. On each side it has like a beautiful beaded pumpkin. Absolutely adorable. And you know, I love candles, so I place a lot of candles all over the table. And the centerpiece, it's a simple centerpiece, but I just added more pumpkins and some flowers to make it fuller, and it turns out beautiful to me. And I hope you like my table. And wherever you are, please remember to be safe. Just enjoy your loved ones safely, and I will see you next time. Take the time to enjoy your people. Make sure you practice all the safety measures, and come back again to my channel for another video next week. But before you do so, remember to give a thumb up, as I said, and if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe to my channel again. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Merci mes amis. On se voit la semaine prochaine pour une nouvelle vidéo. Happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Be blessed.